Good day mga ka-person. If you're looking for a place to chill and relax, this is the best option for you here at Sweet Escape in Tanay Rizal. Okay mga ka-person, I have a quick tour for you. So ayan, as you can see, ayan po yung entrance. Pababa po yan. Then yan na yung camping ground. Okay, papunta pa po yan sa dulo. Aside to their camping ground mga ka-person, Sweet Escape have a beautiful terrace and balcony. Ayan, as you can see, yun nga lang po, hindi po namin na-enjoy dahil po umuulan. And this is our bedroom, okay? It's for teachers. Ayan, sorry at nakalat. Then aside sa bedroom po namin, meron pa pong 2 other bedrooms na nasa unahan. Ayun. Okay, sa baba mga ka-person, this is how it looks like. Okay, may refrigerator, CR, selling fine. Okay, at ito naman yung sa harapan. Ayan. And also, don't you worry mga ka-person if you do not have tent kasi meron po silang for rent. They have barbecue grill, bonfire area, and swimming pool if you want to swim. O, diba? Nakaka-relax.